Bitfarms is one of the largest and most geographically diversified Bitcoin mining operations in the world. 2021 was a very successful and transformative year for Bitfarms. We grew our base from 5 farms in Quebec to operations now underway in 4 countries. We now have 7 operating farms with another 3 under construction. Over the course of 2021 and 2022, we are well into our 2-year expansion plan, which will see Bitfarms grow by a factor of 8 times. We attribute our success to our experienced and capable management team, our professional advisors, and access to capital, which is largely possible due to our listing on the TSXV. Case in point, our public listing was absolutely key to expediting our expansion plans. Bitfarms is very excited about the future. We're still in the early stages of Bitcoin and blockchain, which we solidly believe will transform the world's financial systems. Bitfarms is very well positioned to play an expanding and important role as this evolution continues. Following a long-form prospectus application, Bitfarms was listed on the TSX-V on July 16, 2019. Without the public listing, I do not think we would have been nearly as successful at bringing aboard an experienced and energetic management team located in 4 countries, assembled a reputable and independent board, engaged with a top 4 auditing firm, facilitated investment from investors around the world, or been in a position to raise the capital required to execute our aggressive growth plans. Our TSXV listing was a pivotal accomplishment, which made these plans possible.